Hey y'all, back with a 3 month check in. Yep, that's me outside with the kids. Our building got a no kid policy. Doesn't make any sense to me, but okay. Anyways, Tay's in the building, prepping the restock. First thing he does is open the machines, then power them off, then moves them heavy old machines to unplug for a little reset every once in a while. We gonna speed through this right here, let him do his thing so we can get to the next preparation, which is checking that cash money. We do see our sales coming through on the app, but it's always good to double check in person. Got that money. So now we about to get into the inventory to see how much has been sold and see what the folks liking and not liking. Yes, we still old fashioned. It's just something about that pen and paper that's never gonna go away. Maybe when we get more vending machines on our route, we'll transfer the digital inventory. But for now, we stay original. Inventory looking good, not too bad. Bad is when ain't nothing selling, and we definitely selling. Tay had a retape one pricing sticker. It was ripping off and eventually could have caused something to get stuck. Thank God he saw it and fixed the problem immediately. Now we can continue the restock. We added a new addition, which is the ice honey buns. We're gonna see how those go because if you know, you know them joints be hitting.
shit. Done. I'm gonna go buy by the bus. Just to be more careful.
Restock done. Finally. Now Tay is plugging the machines back in, then pushing them heavy old things back in position, then powering back on and making sure everything is working properly. As you can see, this is not no run in and run out type of situation. It does take time, especially when you're doing it right. And we always clean up behind ourselves and make sure the machines are locked. In 3 months, we got $130 in cash, $1,102.05 digitally. Our trajectory is increasing literally. If you have any questions, feedback, or want us to talk about a specific topic, let us know. Until next time, thanks for the genuine love.